Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headline. The Financial Services Commission released an annual report to show that there was a 19% jump in the revenues of the general insurance industry to 87 billion Jamaican dollars last year. Total assets of the sector climbed to 102 billion during the same year, with investments accounting for 68 billion. The sector's total liabilities were 65 billion, with insurance liabilities accounting for 56 billion. The industry's capital base also increased by 3% to 37 billion. Jamaican energy company Tropical Battery has received shareholder approval for its expansion program and will reach out to the capital market this year with an additional public offer, APO, of shares. Tropical Battery was listed on the junior market of the Jamaica Stock Exchange following a successful initial public offer in September 2020 of up to 325 million ordinary shares priced at $1 per share. For the trading period ending May 6, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited with 2,692,564 units traded, representing 14.73% of market sales volume. Alternative energy distributor Wigton Energy Limited with 1,944,505 units traded, representing 10.64% of market sales volume. International food distributor Deramon Trading Company Limited with 1,464,198 units traded, representing 8.01% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On May 6, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US 43.07 million purchased and US 54.54 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.92 per dollar, selling the US at $159.75 and buying the US at $157.83. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $1.94 per transaction, with selling at $115.45 and buying at $113.51. The British pound yielded Forex traders $1.24 in profits, with selling at $212.22 and buying at $210.98. For our credit report tip of the day, one of the most powerful but underused tools in your journey to fund a business is your credit score. Whether you're building a beauty brand, launching a logistics company, buying your first rental property, your credit score can open or close doors to capital. Here are two options to consider. First, improving your credit helps to establish credibility with bankers and lenders. They look at your score as a sign of how you handle your obligations. Show them you're an action taker. Another benefit is that improving your credit helps to attract private investors or co-founders. Good credit shows you're financially responsible, and that's critical in any partnership. Now, when you're building something from nothing, moving from financial recovery to financial resilience, financial self-care integrates money management with well-being practices, helping professional women over 45 mitigate stress and build confidence in their finances. A dedicated weekly CEO hour for reflecting on cash flow, setting goals, and learning one new financial concept fosters greater control and proactive decision making. Think about these self-care suggestions to blend into your financial focus. While tracking your income and expenses for the week, Use a financial app such as wisefy.com. Another option is a daily wins journal. Write down 3 money-related wins from the past week to celebrate your progress. Another financial self-care strategy is to have a single goal focus. Choose one debt payoff or one savings target to advance for each CEO hour. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.